But before anything, आज यहाँ से हम जब जाएंगे, you can't blame us अगर आपकी आवाज़ चली जाएगी, okay? So let's make some noise for Karbi Angang and all the amazing people who have organized this beautiful, beautiful event and called us here. The next song is called Mafia. ये हमारा, I think, पहला non-film गाना था जो हमने रिलीज किया था, and I would love to sing it for all of you. This is what it sounds like. खुद तो भी ज्यादा तन्नू प्यार मैं करा पर जी मैं चली गई पर ना आना सोया. Let's go, come on. If you've ever had your heart broken, this song is for you. I think heartbreak is sad, but it's also beautiful. All right, come on, everybody. गलतियाँ तू इतनी करदा, मैंने भी जाने दिया. सोचा था तू अब बदलेगा, मौका तुझे सावर दिया. जान दिया, नहीं चाहिए तेरी माफिया. जान लिया तेनु जाना, अंदरों तक मैं तेनु पहचान दिया. जान दिया, नहीं चाहिए तेरी माफिया. जान लिया तेनु जाना, अंदरों तक मैं तेनु पहचान दिया. All right, one question before we go any forward. Are we wearing comfortable shoes? Thank you so much, everybody. All right, guys. आते आते यहाँ से बॉम्बे से इतना टाइम लगा and I could not wait. हम कब जाके स्टेज पे जाएंगे, कब शो शुरू करेंगे, कब आप सबको मिलेंगे पहली बार. I think tonight is truly, truly very, very special. You know, we keep coming to Assam. हमारा आना जाना बहुत लगा रहता है, Guwahati, and couple of other places, but I think it's the first time we've come all the way here. And I must say, it's so, so, so beautiful. My entire phone is full of just pictures of trees and the sunset and the sky. So, you guys are so lucky. ये बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है, and I hope we come here again. Today we have obviously come to entertain you, and I hope the songs that we sing, you sing with us. Alright, the next song is actually truly special. I did a version of this on YouTube, and everywhere I go, they ask me to sing this. So, पहली बार यहाँ पे मैं आई हूँ, how can I not? I'm not going to introduce this song, but I get a lot of love when I sing it. So I hope you can give me all your love and sing with me. Let's go. Alright, if you're here with somebody special, hug them, yaar. Life is all about loving people you want to love. Let's do this, come on. खुदा ने इस जहान सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए जीना मिलना है उसी रब का इशारा. मान मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए. कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहान सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए जीना मिलना है उसी रब का इशारा. मानो person who's not with us anymore today, the one and only KK. You know, I feel like every show and every gig that we do, we make sure to give him some sort of a tribute. As singers, I think that's all we can do. I want to sing something for him tonight. I hope you can sing it with me. What about this side? Are we here? Are we going to be singing something for the wonderful KK?
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे
Alright, how many people today have come with their friends? Yeah? Alright? Or anybody you love? I think something that we realized, something very, very recently, there are so many people we meet in our lives. But if you have 2 or 3 really good friends, you're sorted. This one is for all the lovely friends that truly become family. And this one's for you, KK, one more time. Are you guys gonna sing with me? Alright, let's go.
यारों दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो ना ज़िंदा बेकरार तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो ना ज़िंदा.
Hands up in the air. Alright, we're celebrating friendship here with you guys today. Come on. I want to see hands up in the air. Piche walo. I want to be able to hear you. Come on.
यारों दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो ना ज़िंदा.
Alright, come on.
बेकरार तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो ना ज़िंदा.
That was amazing. Do we have any Shah Rukh Khan fans in the house today? I'm going to sing something for Shah Rukh Khan. You want to sing this with me? Thank you so much. All right. Taaliyan ho jaye for everybody who's actually volunteering to start this party tonight. All right. I feel like the party starters are here, but